Okay, you guys, here's the deal. It is the season for tidying up all of the food that you forgot to worry about during the entire month of November and December. Am I right? I went to the gym this morning and it was packed. It's like now that all of the holidays and celebrations and the indulgence and the abundance has been enjoyed, it's time to enjoy the fullness of cleaning up what you're eating and eating a little bit better. And for me, there's no better way to do that than adding a nice protein shake in the morning. But then, let me be honest, I get a little bored of the same thing every day. So today I'm going to show you how to make 2-ingredient protein crepes. Yes, 2-ingredient protein crepes. And then when you head over to my blog, I'll show you all sorts of other 2-ingredient protein recipes that'll help you shake up your routine in the new year.
Get out, get away.
I am not a trained chef, but I am a full-time foodie photographer to be exact. I've created a 6-figure career from my kitchen table. Come on into my studio where we'll cook not just good food, but gorgeous food. I'm Brooke Lark, and this is how to cook like a food stylist. To make these crepes, it is so simple. All you are going to need are some egg whites. I like to buy the ready-to-go egg whites, and some Bob's Red Mill chocolate protein powder with the nutritional boosters, including chia and probiotics. Protein powder has never been so good. Today we're gonna do it with chocolate, but you can also make these with vanilla. To begin, add 1/2 cup of eggs and 1 scoop of Bob's Red Mill chocolate protein powder. One of the things that I love about this recipe is that every single one of these crepes packs a whopping 28-ish grams of protein. I am telling you, there has never been a more delicious way to start your day. You're gonna stay full, you're gonna be happy, plus it tastes fantastic. Mix the eggs and protein powder together and then pour them into a lightly oiled, greased, or buttered pan. Just pour it gently into the center of the pan and the batter will do the rest. If you do want an extra thin crepe, go ahead and just spread the outside with the back of a cup or the back of a spoon. And I usually find that cooking these on medium heat is perfect. It takes about 2 minutes per side. Flip and ready to go. Now you can stuff these in any way that you want. You can add sour cream or yogurt or cream, or you can even add eggs and go for a savory crepe. But I think the sweet spot here with a chocolate crepe is a nice thin coating of chocolate hazelnut spread, topped with just a little kiss of yogurt or whipped cream. All right, it's time to taste. I'm gonna pour a little extra syrup because I love fresh berries on top. All right, that gooey Nutella. These crepes are so perfect. They're like perfectly thin. They're so chocolatey. Plus chia seeds and probiotics and protein. Looks like a crepe, tastes like a crepe, but with 2 ingredients, you will never believe that these crepes are high in protein, absolutely fantastic, and basically the simplest way to start any morning, plus the tastiest too. Thanks, Bob's Red Mill.